Hello guys, it's Dale here with a new weekly trading ideas video. Before I go and have a look at the trading ideas, just a quick note about the webinar we had last week. You can find the recording of the webinar in the videos section on my website, and right here this is the recording of the video Forex trading with order flow. Alright, so if you haven't seen the webinar, check it out. During the webinar I made a special offer to everybody who was attending the webinar, and the offer was a special discount on my order flow pack. You can get the order flow pack in here where it says trading course and tools, and in the next 2 days you can still get the order flow pack discounted for $3.97 only. Alright, so that's about the webinar and the special offer. And let me now switch over to the TradingView platform and talk about the trading ideas. So this is the TradingView platform, and the first trading idea is going to be on the US dollar Japanese yen. So what you see before you is US dollar Japanese yen 30-minute time frame, which is my favorite time frame for such day trading analysis. I'm working with my custom-made volume profile and VWAP tools for TradingView platform. And the strong support that I would like to talk about here formed at 139.78, and this support is based on the volume profile setup called the volume accumulation setup. As you can see in here, we have a heavy volume zone which formed in this little rotation, and from this rotation there was strong buying activity. This strong and aggressive buying activity is telling us that strong institutional buyers were building up the long positions in here, where we see those volumes, and from there, after they've accumulated enough of the long positions, they pushed the price aggressively upwards. So this is an important zone for those buyers because they placed a lot of their longs there, right? So when there is a pullback to this level in the future, then it is likely that the buyers will start defending this important zone and push the price upwards from there again. That's why it should work as a support and the price should bounce off it. Alright, this is where I draw the level, the beginning of that heavy volume zone and the start of this strong buying activity. So what we need to do now is just wait for that pullback, and when it occurs, if it occurs, then we can trade from this level, and chances are there'll be a reaction. All right, so that's for the US dollar Japanese yen. The next trading idea is on the New Zealand dollar US dollar. So now we are looking at the New Zealand dollar US dollar 30-minute time frame, and in here I have the same trading setup as on the US dollar Japanese yen, the volume accumulation setup, only in this case it is reversed. So we have a rotation zone from which a strong sell-off starts, right? This is what you want to see when you are trading this setup. The next thing which you need to see is heavy volumes accumulated within the rotation zone, like in here. Then from those volumes there needs to be that strong sell-off. And what I like about this situation right here is how strong and aggressive the sell-off started from this heavy volume zone, right? So this is the volume accumulation setup, and I prefer to trade from the beginning of that heavy volume zone, which is in here at 0.6244. And the next thing to do is just wait for a pullback. If it happens, then chances are the price will react there and go downwards from this zone, as sellers who are accumulating their shorts in here will be defending this zone, which is important for them, and push the price downwards. Alright, so that's the volume accumulation setup on the New Zealand dollar US dollar. And a very similar scenario also formed on another New Zealand dollar pair, which was the New Zealand dollar Japanese yen. So this is the New Zealand dollar Japanese yen. Again, we are looking at 30-minute time frame, and again the setup is very similar. There was a rotation with heavy volumes accumulated within the rotation, and from there very strong and aggressive trend. Because there was a downtrend, it is telling us that strong sellers were accumulating their shorts in here, and then they manipulated the price to go downwards. So when there's a pullback to the beginning of that heavy volume zone, which is at 86.51, then chances are there'll be a reaction as sellers from here will want to defend this zone, which is clearly important for them, and push the price downwards again. All right, the logic is still the same, the setup is still the same. What you need to do is only look for this pattern across the charts and then wait for those pullbacks to those heavy volume zones and trade from there. All right, so that's about the New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. And before I wrap this video up, I like to announce a winner of a contest we had last time. The price of the contest was a set of my custom-made TradingView indicators. Those are the indicators which you saw in today's video. And right now on your screen, you see the name of the person who won in the contest. So congratulations to the winner. And what I'll do is I'll do another contest for the next week. The only thing that you need to do to participate is leave a comment below this video that I'll upload on YouTube. And next week, I'll randomly pick one person to win this set of indicators. All right? So that's about it. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time. And until then, happy trading.